To be in Arabic.
يكون.
Made easy. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. Let's make Arabic feel simple and fun. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart companion for language superpowers. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more tips, printables, and bonus drills. Today's mission: master English to be an Arabic.
يكون.
With quick wins and a few giggles. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every key form confidently. Ready? To be.
يكون.
I am.
أنا.
You're, SG.
أنت.
He is.
هو.
She is.
هي.
It is.
إنه.
We are.
نحن.
You're, plural.
أنتم.
They are.
هم.
Speed forms tour. Say them out loud with me, short, sharp, confident. I am.
أنا.
You're, to one person.
أنت.
He is.
هو.
She is.
هي.
It is.
إنه.
We are.
نحن.
You're, plural.
أنتم.
They are.
هم.
And the core verb, to be, itself.
يكون.
A funny cafe scene. Let's drop these forms into a silly mini dialogue. You're the star. Barista, you are next.
أنت.
You, I am brave today.
أنا.
And highly caffeinated. Friend, pointing at a guy, he is the latte whisperer.
هو.
You, pointing at the barista, she is the foam artist.
هي.
Narrator, it is destiny.
إنه.
Coffee o'clock. Team at the table, we are unstoppable.
نحن.
Fueled. Barista to the group, you are legends.
أنتم.
Amazing. Everyone pointing at another table, they are the muffin thieves.
هم.
You, dramatic voice, to be or not to be.
أن يكون أو لا يكون.
More sugar? Call and response drills. Echo me, keep it punchy and smile with every win. Say, to be.
يكون.
Say, I am.
أنا.
Say, you are, one person.
أنت.
Say, he is.
هو.
Say, she is.
هي.
Say, it is.
إنه.
Say, we are.
نحن.
Say, you are, plural.
أنتم.
Say, they are.
هم.
Culture tip. The invisible is. Quick brain nugget to sound natural. In English you say, she is happy, but Arabic often just uses the pronoun plus adjective, she, happy. So, she is can be simply.
هي.
For emphasis or clarity, you may hear, it is, as.
إنه.
The base verb, to be.
يكون.
Shows up in set phrases, future, past forms, and structures like, to be or not to be. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll pause for you. Q1. How do you say, I am, in Arabic? A.
أنا.
Q2. The Arabic for, he is. A.
هو.
Q3. Say, you are, to one person. A.
أنت.
Q4. Say, you're, to a group. A.
أنتم.
Q5. Give, it is. A.
إنه.
Q6. The core verb, to be. A.
يكون.
Q7. Say, they are. A.
هم.
Mini challenge. Your turn, 2 quick lines. Go. 1. Introduce yourself. I am. Start with.
أنا.
2. Pump up your team. We are ready. Start with.
نحن.
Bonus nerd flair. Whisper, to be or not to be, in Arabic.
أن يكون أو لا يكون.
And strike a dramatic pose. Goodbye and keep being awesome. You did it, high five. Keep the momentum. Thanks for listening. Practice your set daily.
أنا. أنت. هو. هي. إنه. نحن. أنتم. هم.
And the anchor.
يكون.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, games, and printables at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.